Anyway, so this is the sound of a prekese. It has seeds in them. So if you have it and you want to plant it, you can also nurse the seeds and plant it at your backyard. Greetings and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the benefits of the Ida fruit. This fruit is very popular in West Africa, and in Ghana it is commonly known as the Prekese. I can't mention the scientific name, so forgive me. But there are numerous research that has taken place, and it's always amazing and fascinating how this plant or fruit has so much benefit. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to talk about is the prekese has antioxidant properties. Yes, it does has antioxidant properties which helps in detoxifying your body. So if you are thinking about losing weight or removing any toxins from your body, what you have to do is to use this internally, and you can prepare a tea, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video. The prekese or the iron fruit is also used in treating hypertension or reducing high blood pressure. Okay, so it also reduces inflammation of the body, especially when you have muscular pain. It is being infused with some creams and gels that help to reduce this muscular pain. You have the cream or an ointment or a tincture made of prekese, and this is normally applied on the place where you feel the pain most. It can be applied twice daily, and as time goes on, you see changes within 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, it can also be used as pesticide due to its strong scent or perfume. It is known to drive away insects like mosquitoes and house flies. It's normally burnt in fire, and this really brings out the aromatic properties in it. Another benefit of prekese is also for postpartum care. Most of the times in Africa or in Ghana, when a woman gives birth, it is being infused in soups and stews to help in blood circulation and to prevent blood clotting. And it really helps in pumping out the breast milk for bringing more milk to the body as a mom. So there were times when leprosy was seen to be a sin. It was classified as punishment from the gods, but sometimes it's your skin. So it is normally used in treating leprosy and some skin disorders, some skin like acne, pimples, a whole lot. It is also used in cooking due to its aroma, its strong savory flavor. I never knew prekese was used to cure asthma. Okay, so sometimes you say that asthma has no cure, but listen, if you go with the herbs and what God has given you, it's going to cure it more than going for the medications that the pharmaceuticals are producing. It doesn't cure them. It rather reduces the effect. But the more that it's reducing it, the more your problem increases. Okay, so it also cures diabetes. Oh yes, so blood sugar level, high sugar level, all those things. Prekese is also good for that. It's also good in managing convulsion or epilepsy. As we grow, we come to learn about things that are part of us. Sometimes you get scared of going out because you think that having a convulsion outside, especially when you're in Africa, they normally suspect people with this health conditions as witches or being possessed by evil spirits. So if you're suffering from epilepsy or convulsion, making this tea and drinking it daily is going to help put this in control, and it might also cure it, so you might not see it ever again in your life. As COVID-19 rose, that was when people were searching about how to boost your immune system. But in Africa, reason why this a virus wasn't able to take a lot of lives in Africa, because we are good in using our herbs, and it's really boosts a little percentage of it can make you more healthy than you can think. So if you're going to make this tea, then you have to know that you infusing it for a very long time is going to help you. Okay, so it also helps in healing wounds, especially also for postpartum mothers, or if you've gone through accident, if like heavy injury. It helps in building the cells in your body to repair the tissues and a whole lot of things. So if you really want to know how to make the tea, then stay tuned. So don't forget to like this video and share it. Subscribe so that you will see any video that I upload. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.